What's up, family? It's your boy PiiClo. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then go ahead, press the subscribe button in order to join part of the family. Leave a like to if you enjoyed this reaction. So I was told, you know what? Don't give up on Texas flood reaction. So that's what I'm doing today. Back to Texas flood. Because if you did not see in my previous reactions of Stevie Ray songs, or you did not see my comment, or you did not see my pinned comment, then you would have noted that I reacted to Texas Flood, the one that is live at El Mocambo, but it was blocked due to copyright reasons. So hopefully this one does not get blocked. But from what I can see, I'm assuming this is the host that I'm looking at. The host seems like he is sweating already. So it seems like it's gonna be more heat. So that could be either sign that it is heat, or it is really hot in there. And what I'm about to get myself into might be just raging fire or something, or perhaps they're drenched in water and it just goes according to the title, which is Texas Flood. But anyways, let me not waste time. Let's get into it. This is Texas Flood by Stevie Ray Vaughan, and a celebration of blues and soul. That's the title. Let's go ahead, dive into it, let you know my thoughts after the video, and hopefully this is heat, hopefully it is fire. But from what I have heard of the Texas flood that I heard, that version, man, this was heat. But let's just get into it.
Stevie Ray Vaughan, ladies and gentlemen.
Man, he did not waste time.
Down in Texas, all of the telephone lines are down. Well, it's flooding down in Texas, all of the telephone lines are down. Trying to call my baby. Lord, now can't get a single sound. Wild dark clouds rolling. Man, I'm standing out in the rain.
Wow. Wow. Okay. So just diving into the lyrics, he talked about there being a Texas flood, right? Talked about the lines being downed, talked about that I think he could not reach someone. So I'm just wondering in a sense that um is it perhaps common for floods to happen in Texas? The reason for probably the title or the inspiration of the title for the song, or that specific time when he wrote Texas Flood, there was a flood happening in Texas. Just let me know in the comment section. But hypothetically, he could be referring to himself, which I'm reaching. He knew that he was gonna kill it with this song, so he was like, you know what, they don't know that I'm about to cause a Texas flood. But yeah, just let me know in the comment section. Perhaps what is the reason behind the title of the song? Terms of the in terms of the song, or the what I listened to, this was heat, man. This was fire. Did you see what he did? Did you see what he did with that guitar? I mean, he took the guitar and put it behind his back. Even I'm, it seems like even I'm stuttering. But he put it behind his back and then he still played it. He didn't even miss a note, like he or a key. He still continued playing it. Like, wow, man, like the man was good. It seemed like if he wasn't playing the guitar live, or perhaps at home or practicing, he was dreaming about killing it solo wise or something. But seemed like he seemed like someone who's been practicing it for a really long time. So yet again, as stated in the previous songs by SRV, you can just see the talent in there. You can see when someone is good in their craft, and Texas Flood proves that again. That because I've seen some people saying that this is a cover, some stating that it's not necessarily his song, but at the end of the day, you can't dispute that he's good at what he does. I mean, you could do a cover, or perhaps you could call someone a mimic, but at the end of the day, it's pretty hard to copy something, especially when it is good, and making people like your version as well. So that's my thoughts on Texas Flood. Is that this was heat, this was fire, this gets added to the playlist. There's no question about it. But if you have anything else that you would like me to react to, just let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this reaction. Subscribe if you want to join the family. But you know what? Let's play it again. Let's play it again. It was so fire that we just need to play it again.
Out in the